Hello everyone, and today I'll be showing you how you can get free templates for your website, and this will also increase your speed of making your site, or if you want to just create a simple site, and along with templates you will also get blogs and all. Before we get started, I would like to tell you guys that if you click the links in the description, there is all my preferred products which I use for WordPress development, and if you use those links I will get a commission for it, and you will not be paying anything extra. It would just like support me because I don't make any money from YouTube, and if this video helps you and you decide to buy something from my link, it would help me a lot, so thank you. And then let's get started. First thing which I like to do is use a theme, and obviously you will need to use a theme. So once you're in dashboard, go to appearance theme, and then let's add new. Now this is the theme which I prefer, but it's up to you, and you have to check if your theme is supported by Elementor page builder, and most of the themes are supported by Elementor page builder, but I would suggest going for this Ocean WP theme. It has everything that other themes cannot provide, and especially because it has much better features which can make you help create a unique site. And once you have done installing Ocean WP or any other themes, for Ocean WP you have to install this thing that is called Ocean Extra. It handles all the installation of demo content at start. But the reason why I used Ocean WP is because most of the features that are given in free version are not even available in the paid themes of many of the other paid themes. So that's why I like to use Ocean WP, and obviously the features and functionalities which it provides is much better than many other themes. It makes it easier for me to create a good and unique website. So now once you have done by going to did I not show you? Let me check. You will see this option when you refresh your dashboard. Just click run the setup wizard and then just click next, and you can see they have added these two are new demo sites. And usually you don't need to worry about the demo sites, but the reason why I use the demo sites is to get the header. So you see how there's an header already done, header and footer. So you don't need to worry about making it again from scratch. But if you want to make it from scratch, you could just skip this step. You can see, but for this video I will not be skipping the steps. So as you can see, you will already get this design of this one. So I'll just install. This is a new one, I've never used for it. But mostly when you select the demo from this site, just make sure you're only looking for the header, and you can already obviously customize it however you want it, but it could just provide you a groundwork to start. For example, if you want the logo in the middle, it will already provide a groundwork for you to start. So I'll just install the demo, and then you will need to install whichever things you have done. For example, if you have selected a e-commerce demo, then it would have WooCommerce and all its plugins, so you will need to install it. Once done, click import. And one thing I've noticed is that if the sites are, or the hosting is new, or you've already if the hosting is new and you just install WordPress, sometimes the hosting hasn't done the process to make it completely working. So when importing certain things, it will mess it up. For example, Bluehost was the one that would mess it up by giving me error whenever I installed the templates. So for that I just had to wait for a while before actually Bluehost making the changes in their hosting. Once that's done, you can see I can just visit the site and it's already there. The demo content is there. You could just use it, and it will be made in Elementor, which I prefer, and I've made over 100 sites with Elementor only and few from Divi because I'm not much comfortable with Divi. So the next thing we will do is go to plugins, add new, and this is what we will be adding. Just type Envato in here, and this will give us 1000+ free plugins and blocks. So let's install it. And even if you buy a premium version of it, you can get much more of it, much more better plugins. And also you can buy Elementor Pro version if you want, depending on your workstation. Now you can see there's a new section here. You can just go there. There are premium template kits. So these all are premium templates. Next are the free kits. You can see, so for example, you can just preview it. So let's wait for it to load, and then you can just check your site, the whole site, how it will look and all. So let's say I wanted to use this one, and before doing that I'll show why it's 1000 plus free. So you can see here it says 2381 free individual templates, and then there are premium also. I'm not sure how many premium templates are there in this one. This is 685 premium template kits, and they are obviously much more good. And in the free kits, the way it works is you will install a whole website kit in your WordPress. So let's say, and you can see how many are there. I like to install this one, so let's click install, wait for it to install. And the way I like to do is mixing and matching multiple templates. For example, if I like this section, I would just remove this whole section and then use another template and mix it up so that I get unique website instead of just using one template. So now you could see how there is. So here you can see it says Elementor Pro is required for this template. So you could just simply, this form is only available in Elementor Pro, but you could just ignore the requirements and then you can import it. That way the form will not be imported. Anything that is required Pro version of Elementor, anything that requires Elementor Pro for this add-ons, it will not show. So that's done. So let's go to the home page. I'll click edit with Elementor. The first thing is you don't even need to be in the dashboard. It's already shown in the Elementor side. So for this one, I'll just delete it. You can see there's one more section here. So I could just install. You could see there are install template kits, premium kits, which we don't have, and then free kits. And then you could just install multiple ones. So let's say I have a travel agency, and I would always suggest using multiple templates and blocks to actually make your site unique. And then once in a template, you get this all things for home page, 3 home page, about us pages, many one you will get single product pages, pop-up and stuff. And depending on the template you choose, you will get multiple types of templates. So let's say I just want to insert this template. So let's click import. And usually I've found that sometimes depending on the site, your text would be much more smaller than the one in the template. So you have to just fix it. So let's wait for it to import and wait for it. Now you could see how the sites are not perfectly done. You could see how it's already, everything is so small. Usually this happens and it's easier to fix. I like to put it in Elementor full width, but it's up to you. And then now you could see how it is done. All you have to do is select one and then increase. So you will obviously need to know a bit of Elementor. Even if you don't know, you could simply just click here and there and learn it. It's pretty easy. And you could see how you can just fix it pretty quickly. You already get a nice website layout which you can work with. And let's say I don't want this section, I can simply delete it. I like this section. If I want to import another template here from this site, let's say I like this design at front, I'll just import it. You do need to import the whole site and then delete the non-needed stuff. So that's a bummer, but you're already getting free stuff. Like, we shouldn't even complain at this point. If it's working perfectly fine, we don't need to improve. We can just increase our work by just clicking these things. So let's say I did this. I like this section, it's there. You see how good it looks. You could simply choose another template. It doesn't need to be same templates, but if you keep same template, it would be having similar design structure. And then you could simply just fix the size and all, however you want it. So like this, you see, it's pretty simple when you combine templates. Now another thing, like I said, was blocks, and the blocks is another thing which I like. For example, we have a framework made for us in blocks. Let's say you want to make a hero section and you have a design in your mind which you have already done and don't want to keep like working on it again and again. For example, if I want to make this design, I'll just explain it. Just let's import and I'll tell you what I was saying. It would explain it much better then. So for this one, we will only be importing this one. So you can see how it imported. But let's say you wanted to create a hero from scratch, and then you're like, oh, you wanted to make this type of design, and you have that design in your mind, but you have to work it every time by making these two sections, adding a text from here, headings, like then after text you have to make the typography change, everything. Instead of that, you could simply get a framework. For example, we just inserted this framework and you already had a plan in your mind to make a website having this type of section. So instead of making it every time, you can simply have a block structure like this. And also you could just like save a template. So let's say if you save this one like this, it will be stored in here, and then you could simply just export it and keep it in your PC. That way you could import it anytime or any website you want by just going into this section and uploading the file which you downloaded by exporting. And that's easy how you can do it. Just simply go to the site, click here, install a kit. Okay, yeah, I shouldn't have clicked it. Already shown you guys. You can just click here to know which is what. Simple. You got free kits, many of them. Even there are categories. Let's say you want education and profit. If you don't want to work much, there's simple one. If your client doesn't want to pay much and you want to just do it quickly, because obviously you don't want to work more if you are getting paid less. So that's one good thing. And then free blocks, where you get everything which you need for about section. For features and benefits, you get a framework for it to work with, so you don't need to work every time to make the simple design. Instead of working for 10 minutes, you could just do it in 10 seconds. That's why the templates and blocks are good. And make sure to keep originality by mixing and matching, coming with designs. If you have a design in your mind and there's already a section made in this one of blocks, just import it so that you already have a section made instead of wasting your time and working on the other stuff. And that way you could make a website with Envato elements. I hope I was easier to understand. I'm trying this stuff to explain it better, and I will obviously improve in future. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share, whatever the other YouTubers do as well. And make sure to like click the link in the description to see if you want the preferred products which I use. For example, hosting, domain sites, or like Elementor extra plugins. I also have a website called products.dmotion.art which will be in the description. You can click it. It's work in progress website, but I have inserted many more stuff which I use in Elementor and website building and hostings which I prefer, and I will add some more later when I get time in that website. And for that time, you could just simply check the description to know if there is anything any hosting you like which is not in my website yet, for example name hero and all. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.